So hello, welcome back guys on your YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how we can pass the ads from the any website like Vegamovie. And now as you can, Vegamovie is a website where you can download any movies. But when we click any movies links, it will redirect to another page, and really it is very irritating. So now we can see how we will do that. So you don't have to install any application, just follow these steps. So first of all, you have to go to your mobile setting. So I'm going to my mobile setting, and now you have to search the keyword which is DNS. So you have to, after that searching you the many things, but you have to click on that. You have to search private DNS, then you have to click on that. Then you can see the private DNS is off, so you have to on that. So you have to click on that, and then as you can see here, the many option is there like off, automatic, and private DNS provider host name. So you have to click on that private DNS. Then you can see here dns.adguard.com. So just you have to enter that on your smartphone. Then you have to click on that. Then as you can see here, when you go to your any website like Lux movie or Vegamovie like that, after save the private DNS, you have to back on your website. And now as you can see here, I'm opening the Lux movie, and now I'm clicking open download link. It will be redirect only the download page, not in the another pages. So when I click the big cloud, it will be redirect to the download section. Now as you can see here, the generate download link is available. When I click on that button, it will be just generate the link. When I go to click the download, it will be started the download. So you have to follow these steps to bypass the ad from this website. So guys, I hope this video is very useful to you. So thank you.